In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to your Notion workspace. This is a fantastic way to integrate your schedule seamlessly into your workspace, helping you stay organized and productive. So, let's dive right into the process. First, open your Notion application or navigate to the Notion website via your browser. Once you're logged in, head to your workspace where you'll be adding the calendar. You can choose to use an existing page if it's more convenient, or create a new one to keep things tidy and focused. Next, within the page that you've selected or created, you'll want to set up a table view if you don't already have one. To do this, simply type Table View and choose the option to insert a table. This will become the foundation upon which your calendar is built, so it's an important step to get right. Now that you have your table set up, the next step is to click on Add Property. This will allow you to customize your table further by selecting types of data you want to incorporate. Here, our focus is going to be on dates, since they are integral to syncing with your calendar. When you click Add Property, select the Date option. This will create a column specifically designed to input date information, which will be crucial for integrating with your Google Calendar effectively. Once this date property is added, go ahead and start entering any selected dates you want to monitor or keep track of in your workspace. This sets the stage for your events and tasks to be visibly aligned with your schedules. If you prefer a broader view, let's switch gears towards a calendar view. Begin by typing Calendar View in the same page where your table resides. This command allows you to toggle from the table format to a more familiar calendar format that is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Select Calendar View from the options presented. This action transforms your previously entered date data into a calendar setup. With the Calendar View activated, your table data now displays as a full calendar. Here, you have the freedom to move items between days as you need, providing you with significant flexibility and control over how you manage your schedule within Notion. By following these steps, you will have successfully integrated your Google Calendar within your Notion workspace, providing a centralized place for all your scheduling needs. This allows you to enhance your productivity and maintain clarity over your daily activities effortlessly. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to add Google Calendar to your Notion workspace. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.